to make your first $1 million, this is the number we need to remember. 274. This is the amount of money that you need to make every single day. It equals 100,000. This is the first thing that you need to do to make your first $1 million. Get to the first 100,000. And how to get there? If you have an item that you're selling for $5, you need to sell 55 per day. If you have one for $10, 28 per day, 14 per day if it's a $20 item, 3 per day if it's $100, and 1 if it's $300. Now you add a 0 to what you need to sell every single day, and that will make you your first $1 million.
I'm gonna do it.
So now my question is, what can you sell for $100 every single day?